taken the ballast out and I've put it in the oven. Hello, how's it going? Can I have a pizza delivery, please? I've just saved myself 80 quid. Basically, this video is going to be about how to diagnose whether your ballast for your hood is broke on a Subaru. If it's got heads anyway. So it leads me to believe that it's the ballast that needs replaced, is the fact that I took this bulb out, tried it in that side, it works fine. I also checked the relays, which is just under here, if it will come out. So these two relays here are for the front lights. I've tried, I think this is the left light, this is the right light. I've tried both relays and they both power the driver's side. So I know it's not down to the relays, so it must be something to do with the ballast, the light, the wiring. I have no idea until I get the light out. Please ignore my improvisation on the battery terminal. For whatever reason, they're now too big. Alright. So these bolts here are actually what hold the light in place, these two, and there's also one around about here, which is probably the biggest ball ache of the lot. Hopefully that bolt.
This is Houston.
Admittedly, you probably should remove the bumper to do this, but you know, we're not called Sloth Garage for nothing. And plus, if I can save time, then I will. I do definitely recommend removing the bumper to do this, as it was an absolute ball ache, and I did end up scratching the fender. So after much frustration, I've managed to get the light out. This is the ballast. That's a lot of water. Shit. Fuck man, how awkward do I make these lights? Yes. Yeah, it's soaked. I don't know if you can see this, but it's soaked in well, flooded. So this is definitely why it's not working. So this is the ballast. As you did see, it was all wet inside of there. Now what I am going to do is remove all the bulbs and whatnot, and perhaps the wiring if I can get it off, and I'm going to put it, don't lose that, Jesus, and I'm going to put it in the oven along with the ballast to see if that works, because these things aren't cheap. If you want a genuine one, you're looking at about £80, so hopefully I can fix it. Hello, how's it going? Can I have a pizza delivery, please? Okay, I'll have a double pepperoni, a ham and pineapple, but I don't like ham and pineapple, but I'll have it anyway. And thank you. So I've got the ballast in the oven. Please excuse our dirty oven. I've got it on, I can't even see it on camera, but it's on 190. Because I don't have any sealant on hand. So just a bit of context, basically what happened is I was replacing the side light, it would not budge for love nor money, so I had to force it out with a pair of pliers. Or any duct tape, I've used insulating tape. And it does seem to be pretty in there. It obviously isn't a permanent solution, but with any luck it will be okay. It's still a little bit damp inside, but I think once, well, if no, actually we've got to be positive, haven't we? This is gonna work and I'm gonna save myself £80, and if you're watching this video you'll also save yourself £80, well you might do. You know, it's just not gonna work. I hope it does, but I don't think it will. I don't know. I got to, if you're positive, then I'll manifest it just by thinking. Ooh. Hello. So I'm going to refit the ballast and the light. Oh, don't lose this O-ring either, because I nearly did. Still a bit wet. Where are my keys? It actually works! It works! It legit works! Oh my god! Oh, I cannot believe it. I amaze myself at my absolute genius sometimes. Well, I don't quite know if I'll include in the video me putting it all back together, but if this I'm speechless. It worked. I can't believe it. I put a car part in the oven and it's fixed it. I fixed something. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I really can't. I just saved myself 80 quid. I don't want anybody walking past and thinking I'm a lunatic. Yeah, so try this out for yourself if your heads have suddenly stopped working. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go put the car back together and probably go for a drive tonight. I can't believe it worked.